Hello and welcome to my WebJek channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how we can speed up computer and laptop performance same as we purchased before by deleting and clean up all unused and unnecessary files and folders from our desktop PC and laptop to boost best performance. When we buy new PC or laptop, it runs smooth and faster. As we add some software, add new programs, and surf internet, then our computer piled up with some files, folder, caches, and cookies that slows down our PC and laptop. So we need to delete or clean up all those unused and unnecessary files and folders from desktop PC and laptop to keep our PC up to date. So let's get started. Before using matter of this video to your PC, laptop or any machine, I personally recommend that please make a backup of your PC, laptop or any machine, so if something goes wrong, you can make your machine same as before. If you really want to speed up your computer and laptop's performance seriously, then please watch this video to the end. See all steps to make your computer and laptop faster than before. Okay, first we change our PC power option to high performance. So click on search for control panel. Click on power option, and I have already selected high performance. But if you have HP recommended or any PC, the one you have, change to high performance, and that will really boost up your PC or laptop with high performance. So next one is disable unwanted startup program. As soon as we start any PC or laptop, so many software and program starts automatically in background. Even if you are not using those programs frequently, that slows down your PC, laptop. So it can be enabled or disabled to improve PC performance. To do this, simply press Alt, Delete and Control together. That will open. Click on Task Manager, Enlarge, click on Startup, and this here, that program we have set up enable or disable. I have already done some of them, but you can check any software that do not need in startup. So you can disable by right clicking and enable by right clicking. Make sure, please do not disable any antivirus, PC security or any Microsoft related program that will affect your PC. So after disabling some program, your PC will automatically load faster than before. The next one, we can clear some startup services. Click on window icon, then click Run. Right click on window icon, click Run, type services.msc, click OK. You will see so many programs is running automatically, some manually. See any one that runs automatically and you don't need it, just select and right click to see property and change manually. This service is running manually. Right click, click on property. You can select here automatically, delete that, automatic, manual, or even disable. Then click OK. So select very carefully, only select that running automatically, that you don't need to run in background. Once you're done, this will boost up your PC performance in top level. Another one is system performance or visual effect. To do this, click on search, type control panel, select control panel, click on system, click on advanced setting. You see this performance, click on setting. You can select it. By default is here. Let Windows choose what's best for your computer, and you can select here adjust for best performance, then apply and click OK. Next one is defragment and optimize drive. Click on search, type defrag, click on it, select Windows C, click on optimize. Sometime that will take time. Once it's done, you can close it. The next one is reduce runtime service. Right click on window icon, click on run, type msconfig, then OK. Click on service, click on hide all Microsoft service, then click OK. This will perform your computer more better than before. The next one, we go to delete temporary files. Press window icon and R together on your PC. Type %temp %, then OK. You will see all the temporary files here. Press Ctrl A to select all. Right click and delete. Press OK. Sometime you will see the file in use or something, so you can skip it. Check and skip all. The next one is disk cleanup. Right click on window, File Explorer, right click on Windows C for property and click here to disk cleanup. Click OK. This will take time. Done. Click OK. Next one is registry tweets. Right click on window icon. Click on run. Type regedit. Click OK. Find H key current user. Click on control panel. Click on mouse. Click on mouse hover time. Double click on mouse hover option. Change 400 to 10. Then click OK. This will perform best with your PC performance. Next one is remove all unused, unwanted program and software. So search for add and remove program. Click on it. You will see the programs over here. I have pretty good cleaned up whatever I do not need it. But if you see in your computer or laptop any program that you don't need it, just sitting there for doing nothing, just click and uninstall. That's all you to do. So next one is empty recycle bin. When you clean up or delete any files, it all goes on your recycle bin right here. And sit there for doing nothing. So you need to clean up recycle bin time to time. Clean up the space on your PC's hard drive. So click on recycle bin and whatever you have here, check.
Once all steps
if you
are
do
done
not
successfully,
need anything,
then restart your
click
PC.
here.
Once reboot your computer or laptop, you will find excellent difference in your computer or laptop. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I wish you best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.